everyone. I have another book about the rainforest for you. This one is called The Umbrella, and it's written by Jan Brett. We've read a couple of her books this year, and if you remember in her books, she usually has clues on the sides of the pages. So we'll try and look at some of those clues as we go through the book. So let's see what animals, you can see some of them on the front here. Let's see what animals we can learn about today. Hey, little Carlos, where are you going with that umbrella? Into the cloud forest, Papa, to see what I can see. I'll be spotting a jaguar and a monkey. For sure I'll spy a toucan and a kinkajou. I'll keep my eyes peeled for a shy tapir. Buena suerte, Carlos. Good luck, Papa says. So there's Carlos heading out into the cloud forest. Carlos walks into the cloud forest. How silent it is. The only sound is the drip, drip, drip of drops of falling water from the tall trees. There's not so much as a tiny tree frog down here, Carlos thinks. I'll have to climb up for a better view. Carlos drops his umbrella and starts up the giant fig tree. So here's Carlos and the big fig tree. Here's the umbrella in our first clue picture. And then here's our second clue picture. Drip, drip, drip. A little puddle appears in the green umbrella. A tiny tree frog leaps down and slips into the water. Hola, Froggy croaks happily. I have the puddle all to myself. He sinks down until only his eyes peep out. So here's Carlos climbing up the tree, and Froggy in the umbrella, and another animal clue. Plop! A juicy ripe fig falls smack into the umbrella. Toucan is not so far behind. Froggy sees Toucan's sharp beak. Vete, he peeps, go away. But Toucan is not moving. He's waiting for another fig to fall. Here's the next animal. See if you know that one. High in the tree, a scratching sound starts. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Something is sliding down the tree. It gets louder and louder until thump! Kinkajou tumbles in. Muy grande, Froggy squeaks. You're too big. You can't stay here, Toucan says. But Kinkajou is just getting comfortable. After prowling around all night for food, he's found just the right place to rest. So you can see Carlos over there getting a little bit higher. And then here's the next animal clue. Do you know that animal? Thump, crash, thump. Baby Tapir blunders into the green umbrella. Blat, blat, he bawls. Mama! No esta aquí. She's not here, Froggy shouts, along with hungry Toucan and sleepy Kinkajou. The umbrella's shiny green leaves shiver and shake, but baby Tapir is staying here until his mother comes for him. So this is a tapir. So there's Carlos. Looks like he's looking for some animals. And here's our next one. Swish, swish, a most beautiful bird sails down onto the umbrella handle. Quetzal looks down at Froggy, Toucan, Kinkajou, and baby Tapir, rocking back and forth. Fly away, they call up. But proud Quetzal is too busy arranging his tail plumes to listen to them. Here's our next animal. I'm sure you know that one. Suddenly, Frisky Monkey jumps down. He grabs the umbrella, flings it into the river, and jumps aboard. "Que pasa? What is happening?" Froggy asks as water starts to pour into the umbrella. "We will sink for sure," Toucan, Kinkajou, Baby Tapir, and Quetzal wail together. That monkey never thinks before he acts. Uh-oh, what do you think's going to happen to them? "Attention! Who's sitting on me?" Froggy cries. "Stop poking your beak into me," Kinkajou shouts at Toucan. "Blat!" Baby Tapir bawls. "You're getting my feathers all wet," Quetzal squawks at Monkey. Jaguar is cleaning his silky black spots when he hears all the squabbling and looks up. There's Jaguar. What do you think he might do? As the umbrella floats by, he pounces in, making it sink even deeper into the water. The animals scramble and squirm out of Jaguar's way. "No problema," Froggy squeaks in Jaguar's ear. "Be our guests," the animals cry. "Just don't eat us up," is what they think to themselves. You can still see Carlos on the side there, climbing way up. Think he's found any animals yet? Here's another animal. Hummingbird flashes by, smaller than small. He sees the big green umbrella handle sticking up, just the place for a hummingbird to stop for a little rest. As he is about to land, they all start shouting. "No room!" Big Boy Jaguar snarls. "Move on!" Monkey hollers. "Find another place," Quetzal sings out. "We got here first," Kinkajou growls. "Stay away," Toucan screeches. "Blat!" bawls Baby Tapir. "Adios, goodbye," Froggy peeps. But Hummingbird lands anyway. Uh-oh. So there's Hummingbird. And there are all the animals yelling up to Hummingbird not to land. But she did. Wonder what's going to happen. Take a guess. Let's see. Splash. Oh, look at their faces. They're all wet. The umbrella tumbles over and everyone falls out. Jaguar, Quetzal, Baby Tapir, Kinkajou, Toucan, Monkey, and Froggy all clamber up the bank as the umbrella pops to the surface and drifts back to shore. There they all are trying to climb out. And this looks like it's Baby Tapir's mommy. Up in the giant fig tree, Carlos looks out at the sea of green. "No animals today," he sighs. "I wonder where they all are." He climbs down, picks up his umbrella, and walks towards home. So where were all the animals? Carlos thought they would be in the tree, but where were they? They were all down in his umbrella, right? The sun shines through the green leaves of the umbrella, and Carlos sees the silhouette of a tiny tree frog. "Hey, little froggy, try hitchhiking with me tomorrow, and I'll show you a real adventure. I'm going back to the cloud forest to find a toucan, a kinkajou, maybe even a monkey or a shy tapir. I bet I'll see a jaguar too, and I'm going to find that Quetzal for sure." So See if you can find all the animals. They're all hiding right now. Carlos doesn't see them. Carlos props the umbrella outside his door. Drip, drip, drip. Water falls from the roof. A little puddle appears in the green umbrella. Froggy slides down the handle and slips into the water. Hola, Froggy splashes happily. I have this puddle all to myself. So Froggy still got his wish and gets to be in the umbrella puddle all alone. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book and learning some new animals. We got to meet all kinds of fun rainforest animals today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.